Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Class 4, this is your lecture number 37 and unit number 3, fractions. So students, for today our work is page number 71, question number 8, part C, D, E and F. And this is your copy work. So for this you have to open your copies, draw margin lines first and write date and day properly. So students, the question is subtract these fractions, and here we are going to solve part C, which is 9 whole 5 by 8 minus 3 whole 3 by 4. And for this, first we have to open these mixed numbers. So students, 8 into 9 is 8 into 9 is 72, and 72 plus 5 is 77. So here we have 77 by 8. You can see here it's 77 by 8. Now the second fraction is 3. Second mixed number is 3 whole 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12, and 12 plus 3 we get 15. 15 by 4. The second fraction is 15 by 4. Now we have changed these mixed fractions into mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now the second step is whether their denominators are same or not. Here the denominators are not same. So students, the next step is we have to take LCM of denominators to make them same, to make our denominators same. So we are going to take LCM of our denominators, which are 8 and 4. 8 and 4. Now students, starting from the least number 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Then 2 1s are 2, and we will write 1 here as it is. Now multiplying to 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So the LCM is, students, 8. Now we have to make their denominator same. So we are going to multiply 4 by 2 and 15 by 2. So 15 2s are 30 and 4 2s are 8. And we are going to multiply 77 by 1 and 8 by 1. So here we have 77 by 8 minus 30 by 8. Subtracting 30 from 77, we get 47. And as you all know, in the like fractions we only subtract or add only numerators. डिनोमिनेटर्स को हम एज इट इज़ लिख देते हैं, उसे ऐड या प्लस नहीं करते. सो 77 माइनस 30 वी गेट 47. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 47 को हमने लोएस्ट टर्म में करना हो तो हम उसको लोएस्ट टर्म में नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि 47 और 8 किसी एक टेबल पर, किसी एक नंबर पे डिविजिबल नहीं है. तो हम इसको मिक्स नंबर में चेंज करेंगे. 47 and 8. So students, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. Now we will write here 8 5s are 40 and 47 minus 40 we get 7. Now you can see here we have changed this into mixed number. 7 in the place of numerator, 8 in the place of denominator and 5 in the 5 as whole number. Clear students? पार्ट सी हमने सॉल्व किया है, आपने इसका पार्ट डी ई और एफ खुद सॉल्व करना है, खुद अटेम्प्ट करना है. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट वी आर गोइंग टू start revision of our fractions as we have completed our unit. So first question is, what is fraction? Yes students, what is fraction? As I already told you, in fraction two points are important. First is numerator and denominator. When we talk about fraction, these 2 points come in our mind, numerator and denominator. Now what is numerator and what is denominator? सॉरी, यहाँ टाइपिंग में मिस्टेक होगी, इधर इज आएगा एस. सो व्हाट इज डिनोमिनेटर? स्टूडेंट्स, न्यूमिनेटर इज द टॉप वैल्यू ऑफ एनी फ्रैक्शन, टॉप नंबर ऑफ एनी फ्रैक्शन, and denominator is the bottom value of any fraction, like 2 by 5. So 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Clear? हम अपने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को वन बाय वन रिवाइज करेंगे. What are like and what are unlike fractions? So students, like fractions are those fractions which have same denominators, जिसके denominators same हों, जिसकी bottom values same हो जिन fractions की. Like you can see here 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So the denominators are 5 in both the fractions, so we can say these are like fraction. But when the denominators are not same, they are different, then we can say the fractions are, these fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, the fractions which have different denominators, we can say these fractions are unlike fractions, like 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. So you can see here the denominators are different in both the fractions. Clear? Now students, what are proper and improper fractions? So students, proper fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is smaller than denominator, जिसमें numerator denominator से छोटा हो, like 2 by 5. इस फ्रैक्शन में हमारा जो न्यूमिनेटर है डिनोमिनेटर से लेस है, कम है. नाउ व्हाट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन आर दोज फ्रैक्शन whose numerator is greater than denominator or equal to denominator. means numerator या तो denominator से greater होगा या फिर दोनों numerator और denominator एक दूसरे के equal होंगे, values are same. Now come to our next topic, which is mixed numbers. So students, what are mixed numbers? The mixed numbers consist of a whole number and a proper fraction, like 2, 5, 4. This is a whole number and it's a proper fraction. Proper fraction means whose numerator is smaller than denominator. So it's a mixture of whole number and proper fraction. Students, you all know when we want to change any fraction into mixed number, what we do? Yes, we actually divide the numerator of that fraction by the denominator, and in this way we changed the number into mixed number. So students, I hope आपको जो हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट से फ्रैक्शन के वो क्लियर हो गए होंगे. जो पहले आपको नहीं भी क्लियर था वो अब आपको प्रॉपरली उस सब जो आपके टॉपिक्स हैं वो उसमें क्लियर हो चुके होंगे. नेक्स्ट हमारे लेक्चर में हम फर्दर इसको और मज़ीद क्लियर करेंगे जो पॉइंट्स हमारे रह गए हैं. सो दिस इज़ द लेक्चर फॉर टुडे. दिस इज़ योर सी वर्क, and for today our maths diary is page number 70, question number 7, part B and C. Do your homework neatly and properly on your homework copies, and take care students. Allah Hafiz.